quiet flame. The scent of eggs still feels the same. Chopped up greens in Mama's bowl echo stories I've been told. Simple meals, wooden tray. Under this roof I find my way. No one's here but nothing's gone. The past still hums when I'm alone. Flavors rise and so does grace. Memories served in quiet space. Porch is still, the garden grows, where laughter bloomed in summer clothes. Now just wind and falling leaves, but somehow that still lets me breathe. Simple meals, wooden tray. Under this roof I find my way. No one's here but nothing's gone. The past still hums when I'm alone. Flavors rise and so does grace. Memories served in quiet space. I don't need the photos clear. The scent, the sound, it brings them near. A bowl of soup, a breeze, a sound, and all of them are still around. So I sit and let time pass with warm rice and a piece of glass. The world may move, but I still stay with flavors from yesterday. The sky turned gray the day you left. No more blue above my head. The clouds stood still, they lost their way. The wind just whispered what you'd say. I walk these streets, I play pretend, like I'm okay, like hearts don't bend. But deep inside the tide is wild. I'm drowning in tears I never filed. I carved your face into my soul, a memory I can't control. I wear a smile that doesn't fit, but in my chest the sorrow sits. The breeze, it brings a quiet ache, a soft regret I can't unmake. Each gust, a sigh you used to breathe. Each silence, one more chance I grieve. The birds don't sing the way they did. every sky that won't turn clear. Under soft lights, the evening sighs. I keep my treasure where the quiet lies. It's not a diamond wrapped in gold, not something rare or bought or sold. No velvet box, no jeweled rings, but oh, it holds the sweetest things. My priceless gift is time with you. A quiet breath, the sky so blue. Just us alone. The world fades out. That's what my love is all about. No silk, no pearls upon my skin, just heartbeats echoing within. You sit, you smile, the air turns light, and everything feels calm and right. My priceless gift is time with you. A quiet breath, the sky so blue. Just us alone. The world fades out. That's what my love is all about. Not silver, gold, or grand display, just you beside me every day. You talk slow when the world's too fast. You hold my hand like time won't pass. You laugh at clouds, you name the rain, and somehow joy feels so plain. We miss the bus and still don't run. You say we'll catch the next one, hon. The soup boils over, we just grin. Life gets messy, let it in. You make home feel fun, like Sunday naps in sun, like humming songs without the words, like quiet thoughts that still get heard. No fireworks, no loud parade, but peace that never wants to fade. You make calm feel fun, and I'm so glad I let you come. You fix the clock, but leave it slow. You plant your socks where daisies grow. You say let's stay, the sky's too blue, and I forget the list I drew. You make calm feel fun, like tea that talks to none, like dancing in a room alone, and laughing just because I'm home. No pressure here, no need to try, just being near you is the way. Thousands of memories, wrote your name in all my dreams. You were the storm and the lullaby, the silence that made my heart scream. And every word you never said lingers louder in my head. While I stood where shadows blend, you moved on like a drifting thread. There was someone who showed me love without ever giving me hers. She gave me all these aching nights, but never once remembered mine. And loving in silence, I now know, was a journey I walked alone. Your laughter still echoes in the air, a song I hum when no one's there. You filled my world, then left it gray, a ghost I chase each break of day. I was just a chapter you skipped through, while you were my whole book of truth. And now I see it's always been just me and echoes in the wind. There was someone who showed me love without ever giving me hers. She gave me all these aching nights, but never once remembered mine. And loving in silence, I now know, was a journey I walked alone. So thank you for the silent pain, for teaching love without the game. The sky may fall, the roads may bend, but I will be there till the end. No need to fear what lies ahead. Just rest your heart and lift your head. I've seen you fight your silent war. Behind your smile, you ache for more. But I've got space within my chest for all your pain, for all your rest. Don't you worry, don't you hide. unwell. But even when the light feels thin, I'll hold the warmth you're aching in.
We miss
you,
Fahim.
Fahim. I love you, my brother.
When oceans rise, let the world turn cold and wild. I'll be right here, soft and mild. You don't have to stand alone. I'm a place you can
না
call home. Don't you worry even now, when you're too tired to ask me how.
দুইজন দুইজনের দিকে তাকায় খাও
I'll sit beside you in the dark until you find your beating heart. You don't have to stand alone. I'm the place you can